Welcome users. Today we are going to start new Java interview question, which is the most common question in the interview room. Question is how to create a immutable class in Java. As we know, a string is a immutable, so this question is always arise in the interview room. So let's start. There are some common rules for making the immutable class. The first rule is class must be declared as a final. Class must be declared as a final. And next one is member of the class is also final. Next, a parameterized constructor getters for all variable. And next one is no setter. So let's start. We make a final class called final class employee. Let's start to make a class employee. Make string variable, string name, string ID, and make sure this are also final. Because rule number 2, all variable also your int ID, and make employee class constructor. Right click, generate constructor using fields. Yeah, okay. And make also getter, read getter, select only getter, cut here, paste. So these are the two getters method. Main object of employee emp equals to new employee pass name minor and ID is 101, and print this value emp dot id and emp dot name. Run the program. Here is the output 101 and minor. So thank you guys for watching. Keep tuned and please subscribe this channel for the new videos.